Siyempre sa reception, di ba nasa gitna yung mag-iimik?
Fine, alis na ako.
Ayun, okay na. Oh. Closer! Closer naman! Wala na. Wala na si Direk. Okay guys, kaya naman, nakasama na natin sila. Kasama na natin si Direk, si Bea, at si Bert. Let's make this moment extra special at sabay-sabay natin. Hindi ba yung poster? Ready na ba kayo makita ang poster? Asa may poster niya? Pero bago natin gawin yon, we have something special para sa inyong lahat. Let's all watch this.
Lul! 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 Lul!
Lul!
Gilats.
Love you, love.
Yun! Premier scene on Vivo. Nagustuhan niyo ba yun, guys? Powerhouse cast, yes. Grabe naman yun. There we go. Pero this time, naparod natin yung VTR. Pero ngayon, let's make this moment extra special. At why not? Kanibin natin yung poster this time. Ready ba kayo, guys? You wanna see the poster? The official poster of Love You Lots. Ayan, sige. Pwede ba tayo mababa dito? Ayan, ayan. Okay, direct. Direct mo. Direct. Sige.
Mamaya.
Mamaya kayo sa
Ano ka?
Sama mo ako, direct. Sama mo ako. Ayan. There we go. Hello po. Ayan. Our wonderful friends from the press. Okay, wait lang guys. Wait lang. Not yet. Ito na. Members of the press, this is your opportunity po to ask the cast together with, of course, the creator and direct about their experiences and insights into the series. So, paalala naman po guys, keep your questions relevant and related to the series. Strictly avoid sensitive and personal questions. We would love to answer questions only related sa ating proyektong ito. Only series-related questions will be entertained. So, are you... Bert, Estong pala, sorry. Estong, ready ka na?
Yes.
Isa and Lots. And ready ka na. Then, of course, Direk. Ready? Let's go through this. Okay. First on the list we have, of course, from TV5, Miss MJ Mark. Hi, Miss MJ.
Hi! Congratulations, Rulbea! Grabe, sobrang successful ng inyong partnership. But of course, I want to ask, from the success of G-Son and now Rule era, kamusta yung transition nyo as, of course, co-actors? Ano yung mga, kinailangan nyo i-improve at ano yung mga kinailangan nyo i-retain dito sa inyong, project na ito?
Yung mga kasama namin lalo sa sa likod ng camera, mahalo same po yung DOP namin, sa Direct Vic, and siguro, halos kasi sa Jason parang tayo yung dalawa lang, lagi tayong dalawa kasama sa scene. So, dito po sa Lul, at least dito po, may parang second lead po, may second love team po na kasama ko si Sia at si Vito. So, yun po yung at least may ibang love team or may ibang romance na nakikita. Ito yung iba po siguro.
Tsaka Ate MJ, siguro po yung preparation. Kasi di ba, it's different kasi G-Son was an adaptation eh. So siguro yung mga viewers, ganyan, yung supporters, they kind of know how the story will go. May structure, may skeleton na eh, di ba? This is an original series, an original concept, ganyan. So siguro mas yung preparation din, especially with my character, parang pati physically, yung preparation kasi kada day, kapag may mga ibang persona, kapag may ibang personalities, parang 6 na switch, 5 switch, 3 switch, Kasi ang daming nangyayari eh. So siguro yung clarity lang din. And I think with the help of Direk and si Steven, yung DOP namin, parang mas mas nag-guide na okay, para sa ganitong personality, talagang kumbaga, may give and take ng opinion, ng feedback, para mas maging distinct yung bawat personality. So siguro yung preparation ko, more of nandun. More of for the role. Like,
Congratulations, guys. All the best.
Thank you so much, Miss MJ. There you have it. Up next, we have from Philippine Star, Miss Dali Ann Carabahan. Nice, Dali.
Boses mo ng mami ko. Kasi dito. Anyway, congrats. After the success of Jason, hindi ba kayo na-pressure to uphold yourselves dito sa movie?
Siyempre kung may pressure po kahit na paano since Lul nga is an original. Jason kasi may mga readers na, may mga fans na nag-aabang. Ito, this is something new na i-offer namin. I'm not really sure kung talaga magugustuhan nila or nasa taste ng mga tao yung mismong story ng Tita Dali. So, ayun, may pressure to the people. Hindi siya nawawala. So, yun po.
ako, tita, every project talagang may pressure po, talagang may kaba. Kasi syempre kada proyekto naman, iba po siya talaga. It's a different story, different project, different characters, ganyan. But I think more of, bukod po sa kaba, yung excitement nandun din. Kasi syempre, sobrang nakikita ko yung support din online, yung mga sinasabi rin ng mga fans, and they're really very excited for it. And yan po, mas excited din ako mapanood nila kasi it's such a very colorful world. Yung mundo ni Isa at ni Estong, very colorful, very eventful. So I'm really very excited po na mapanood. Thank you, Tita.
Thank you so much, Miss Dali. There we go. Up next, we have from Radar PH, Kiko Escuadro.
Hello po. Hello po. Hello po. Congratulations. Hello po. First of all, na-mention nyo kanina yung support ng fans. Anong reaction nyo nakikita nyo yung ganitong marami na pupunta talaga sila para sa inyo? How do you feel?
Overwhelming, siyempre. Laging kada may ganapong event, lagi nila parang dito, lalagpasan pa, na-exceed nila lagi yung mga ginagawa nila. And hindi nga ganun katagal yung announcement nitong call show. So mabilis sila talaga, pero still, dito sila, sumusuporta sila, nagpagkakalinis sila to show some love and support. At yung love na yun, yung maapaw sa ibang mga tao, sa inyo dito, grabe. Sobrang overwhelming.
So, ako po sobrang grateful lang po talaga. Katulad ng sabi ni Wilbert, it's really very overwhelming in a good way. And parang at the same time, syempre kahit po paano, nandun yung pressure, but in a good way din naman. Kasi like, they show so much love, they give so much love, they give so much support. Kahit anong physically, sa social media, they pitch in financially to give support din sa lahat ng mga pinupuntahan, sa lahat ng mga ginagawa namin. And syempre yung pressure ko would always be there because we want that. Gusto namin na kahit pa paano ma-bring back, mag-give back namin lahat ng pagmamahal na binibigay nila. And siguro rin po, it motivates us. Ako personally, it motivates me, it inspires me because the fact na may naniniwala po sa atin, may naniniwala at sumusuporta sa amin, di ba? Ibig sabihin, we're doing something good and it drives us to do better and to always be better every day. Thank you po.
There you go. Beautiful answers from both Wilbert and Bea. But now let's proceed with from Inquirer, Jessica and Vista. Hi, Jessica.
Hello po, congratulations po. Ang question ko lang po, paano po nakatulong yung pag-work niyo sa Golden Cine Rev Tomorrow dito po sa Love You Lots? And may special stories po ba kayo while shooting this na masashare niyo po sa amin?
I mean, syempre, malaking bagay na nagtatrabaho natin sa GSOT. So, mas komportable kami sa isa't isa, sa madaming bagay, sa trabaho, sa scene, sa lahat. So, alam na namin yung uncomfy or comfy sa isa't isa. So, marunong na kami mag-consider at alam namin yung strength din ng isa't isa. So, feel ko dahil doon, napapalabas namin yung best namin